Time tracking can be a game changer when it comes to justifying your project rates. If you're a freelancer or a small business owner, you've probably faced the challenge of explaining why your rates are what they are. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use time tracking to justify your project rates with real data-backed numbers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to back up your pricing with hard evidence, making it easier to communicate your value to clients. Now, time tracking might seem like a simple task, but it can actually become your best tool for defending your rates, especially if you use the right software. Whether you're charging hourly or offering a flat rate, time tracking helps you break down the work into quantifiable units, so your client sees where their money is going. Let's say you're working on a big project and you're charging a flat rate. By tracking the time you spend on each task, you can easily see how much effort goes into different aspects of the project. This is crucial when it comes time to show the client that your rates reflect the amount of work and expertise involved. If your project takes longer than anticipated, tracking the time allows you to give your client a transparent explanation without feeling like you're overcharging. On the other hand, if you're working on an hourly basis, time tracking becomes even more essential. When you can provide a clear breakdown of how much time was spent on each task, you'll show clients you're using their time efficiently. It also helps you avoid undercharging because you'll know exactly how long it took you to complete specific tasks, helping you adjust your rates accordingly for future projects. One of the best ways to get the most out of your time tracking is to use software designed for this purpose. I've tested some of the most popular time tracking tools out there, and I'll link an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using today in the description. This software will help you capture accurate data, generate reports, and easily communicate how your time translates into value for your client. It's the tool that I recommend for everyone looking to track time professionally and justify their rates effectively. To really make your time tracking work for you, remember to categorize your tasks clearly. Whether you're working on client calls, research, writing, or revisions, keeping track of these different phases of the project will give you a clear picture of where your time goes. When you present these details to clients, they'll see the work involved and the value you bring to the table, making them more likely to respect your rates. Also, don't forget to track downtime or delays. If a client delays the project or you encounter unexpected obstacles, you can use your time tracking records to show how that impacted the overall timeline. This level of transparency builds trust and shows your client that you're handling their project responsibly. Now, let's go over the key takeaway from this video. Time tracking isn't just about counting hours, it's about proving your value. Whether you're working on a fixed rate or hourly project, tracking your time lets you show clients exactly what goes into their investment. By providing data-backed insights, you can justify your rates and communicate your value more effectively. And before I go, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used today, linked in the description. This is a great opportunity to follow along with the steps I showed you and get a better grasp of how time tracking can justify your project rates. Thanks for watching.